Welcome to this video test of the bogus Thunder Max 2 electric scooter. Today, we're going to delve into the details of this incredible electric scooter and explore everything it has to offer. Upon opening the packaging box, we discover a bogus Thunder Max 2 accompanied by a seat saddle, 2 pairs of keys, a charger, a toolkit, and comprehensive instruction manuals. A promising first impression that hints at a complete experience. The initial assembly might seem intimidating, but it offers the opportunity to customize the scooter according to your preferences. The front wheel, mudguard, headlight, and some handlebar elements need to be assembled, but once done, you'll be rewarded with a sturdy and well-designed scooter. The Thunder Max 2 stands out with its magnesium alloy manufacturing materials, ensuring a solid and reliable build quality. With its built-in seat, it offers appreciable comfort for longer rides. Additionally, the presence of keys for startup adds a significant layer of security, a clear advantage over the competition. The handlebar features a bright screen on the right side, clearly displaying essential information such as speed, driving modes, battery level, and more. On the left, controls for the rear brake, lights, turn signals, and electronic horn complete a user-friendly interface. With a total weight of 23.5 kilograms and a carrying capacity of 150 kilograms, the Thunder Max 2 offers impressive robustness. It reaches a speed of 15 km/h in normal mode, then Mode 2 allows for speeds of up to 30 km/h, but it can go up to 50 km/h in Mode 3. Its nominal power of 800 W enables it to tackle slopes of up to 45 degrees effortlessly. The 48-volt, 15 amp-hour battery provides a range of 50 to 60 kilometers, with a charging time of 3 to 6 hours depending on the remaining level. Its IPX4 protection rating makes it resistant to splashes and light weather conditions. For nighttime travel, the Thunder Max 2 is equipped with front and rear LEDs as well as LED strips on the sides, offering increased visibility. The built-in turn signals add an extra layer of safety. The front and rear disc brakes ensure powerful and secure braking, while the 10-inch wheels with robust tires provide excellent traction on all terrains. The front and rear suspensions effectively absorb shocks, providing a comfortable and pleasant ride. With its wide deck and seat, the Thunder Max 2 offers a pleasant riding experience, whether on roads or dirt paths. Its quick and convenient folding system reduces its footprint, and the handlebar height can be adjusted to suit your preferences. In conclusion, the bogus Thunder Max 2 stands out with its solid design, impressive performance, and well-thought-out safety features. Priced at around $549, it offers excellent value for electric scooter enthusiasts seeking performance and comfort. Thank you for following this detailed test of the bogus Thunder Max 2 electric scooter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on exciting products like this one.